Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2009 Mercedes Benz. Yeah, that's the second one.
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, okay. We have this cylinder number 2 misfire, and I believe this is the one that we're supposed to take it out. We're gonna put another one and then see what happened, what need to be done. This car, we have an inspection problem. We try to run the monitor run perfect. We put the car in inspection. It failed for some reason. So now we're gonna put this coil again. It failed for other reason, and we drive it again to make the monitor ready. The monitor now is ready, but we have the checking light on. Okay. So we're gonna put this in, tight it, and then we take it from there. This have no pause. When you walk, it just go. Not like this.
Well, you can close it and then you can put the videos together.
Oh, okay. I have a space. Here, I'm going to take it out. Take the whole piece out.
Pick it up on the side.
Pick it up. There is a clip there. Push it. Pull it. Amir.
Or you can just hold it like this.
Okay. Hopefully there's a coil. We just assume it's a coil or it just misfire.
It says misfire cylinder too.
But most of the time it's a coil on Mercedes. What time are you finishing work here?
6.
So you have a couple of hours to go.
Like an hour and a half.
We're gonna go to drive. I don't know if some kind of car you can reset the check engine light can come by itself or not. I'm not sure. It's so clean this one. Believe me.
Oh, let's smell it.
Smell? Smell bad? Okay. I don't. Yeah. Don't let it run there. We don't even change the spark. I don't believe the spark have to do with it.
When you looked in there, spark plug looked fairly new.
Yeah?
Maybe you change the spark plug.
I like your tools. Okay. Now, just help him push that one back. Especially the back there. I mean the air volumeter sensor. That's good? No. So it's not in. That one is not in yet. I mean, wait.
His side's in, maybe not his side.
Good. So now here, let's put this one here. Other side. This car is not mine, so I'm gonna give him all the receipts. You're not come to take your son with you, right?
Okay, now that one you can literally just clip right in.
Yeah, and just push it in. Okay, now and we have to reset it. This car, you cannot reset itself, right? I don't want to delete the monitors. It's gonna come back again? No, I'm not sure.
Start it and let's see how it feels. Hold on.
If not, I'm gonna reset it and drive it again.
Evenly between the both sides.
I'm trying to see how we're gonna go inside.
It's actually on it.
Yeah. Start.
Keep this?
Start. Yeah, I gotta show him. Start. You have the box for it. I'm gonna.
Yeah,
How it's look how it's smooth. It's smooth, right, Amir? Now,
Gas a little bit?
give gas. Check engine light. Hopefully it's gone.
It's still there.
Okay, so we're gonna reset. I believe we have to reset it. Bring me the module. I'm gonna reset it
Okay.
because I don't wanna
The gas again?
give gas. Beautiful. Yeah, that's what we have it before this thing happened. So get the machine. Let us reset it one time.
I think I feel it.
You have the small one? No, it's okay. It's supposed.
I don't have the small one. I only have the big one.
That bring it. We're gonna do it. You need one. You need the small one to let the hotel one become good. Okay. Get the address for that guy, and we're gonna reset it and we drive it again. Put this one on the other side. We have a box for it. I'm gonna bring the box. Keep it here. Put it here. I'm gonna bring the plug on your right hand. There is a dialysis. After the dialysis, there is stair 13 after it. You have to be on Utica, not on Foster. Yeah, keep going and look on your right. Okay, on your right side corner of Foster and Utica, there is a mechanic shop there. Big lot. So keep going. You're gonna see dialysis. Show me the misc fire. That's okay. I'm waiting for. You see? The GPS don't like this area maybe. Maybe the GPS don't like the area. Okay, clear it. Yeah, okay. Where are you now? Start. Look on your right side, there is a tire 13 in the middle of the block. You pass it. You have to come. Yeah, you pass it behind you. 1287, there is a tire shop called Tire 13, tire shop. If you look on your left hand, there is a post office. Across the street to the post office. It's M&D, MD Auto Repair. You're gonna see ABC Collusion. Yeah, you gotta see my son named Ahmed there. Yeah, I call him now.